So today we're making some boiled dumpling. And to make the boiled dumpling, we're going to use all-purpose flour, some refined cornmeal, and some salt, along with some warm water. And my reason for warm water to knead the dough is because it make the dough more flexible, make it easier for manage. So we're just gonna take time, add the water to the flour, and just combine our knead. So we're going little with the water because we don't want the dough to spoil. So we're just gonna take our time and press that in, fold and press, fold and press. If it feels tight, you just add a little more water and repeat that. Fold it and press it in. After we do that a couple of times, then if the dough still feels tight or stiff, you might just like dip your hand inside of the water just so that you don't take up too much and press it in, because you don't want to do it too tight, because anyhow you need anywhere the flour feel, I say it will feel when you're done cook it. If it tight, the dumpling them go tight. If it more loose, the dumpling them go more looser. So that depends on you. So we're gonna just take them off in pieces and make some dumplings. Right, so depends on the size of the dumpling you want, that we'll work with. Right, and for this video, if you need to slow it down, you slow it down. And remember, your dumpling not have to be perfect. It takes time, so you have to repeat this process over and over before you can get it perfect, and that takes years. So just take your time, make your dumpling them, form your dumpling them, and we're gonna drop them in some hot water. So before we start knead the flour, I'm already put on a pot of water with a little tip of salt. So right as I'm just drop them in. You see, once you drop in all of your flour them, one thing you have to make sure do, and this is important, is to use a fork and lift them. Gently lift them, kind of want to dig them up too much, and just stir them around the pot, because if you don't do this step, when the dumpling done, them are gonna stick to the bottom of the pot and them are gonna hard to come off. So hope you enjoy. Bye.